Let's go. Let's detect some bad guys. On the phone. Hello. Hey, Yoshi, over here. Yoshi. Arrest! No, I'm your brother. Yeah, what you doing here?
Luigi. Hello, it's me, Luigi, on Easy Street.
You're under arrest! What I do? Whenever I see people,
Hey guys, okay, I'm just gonna play with myself. It's called Cops and Robbers. I'm gonna be the robber. I'm being the robber. Wait, no, I'm not a real robber. High speed chase time. No, I'm not a real robber. I'm just playing Cops and Robbers. I'm just playing a game.
Wait, what did you do to Toad, Officer Yellow Yoshi?
Well, I just assumed that he's a bad guy for no reason.
Well, you squished him.
See you next time. Hey, am I under arrest? See you next time.